Ever found yourself scrambling to share a crucial document during a HubSpot meeting? You're in the middle of a killer sales pitch. Things are going great, and then bam, you realize you forgot to send over that case study. Awkward, right? We've all been there. That frantic search for the file, the screen sharing fumbling, the disruption to your flow. It's a meeting killer. But what if I told you there's a super simple way to avoid this whole mess and have your files ready to go before the meeting even starts? Hi everyone and welcome. Today we're diving into a HubSpot hack that will save you time, stress, and potentially even close more deals. We're talking about how to attach files to your HubSpot meetings. This is a game changer for streamlining your sales process, ensuring everyone's on the same page, and presenting yourself as a true professional. Think about it. How many times have you been in a meeting where someone says, "Oh, I'll send that over after." Then the meeting ends, emails get lost, and follow-up gets delayed. Not ideal. By attaching files directly to your HubSpot meeting invite, you eliminate that friction and create a seamless experience for your attendees. So, let's get into the nitty-gritty. How do you actually do it? It's surprisingly easy. First, you'll need to be in your HubSpot account, specifically in the Meetings tool. Now, there are two main scenarios we'll cover: scheduling a new meeting and editing an existing one. The process is very similar for both, so once you grasp the concept, you'll be a pro in no time. Let's start with scheduling a new meeting. You'll go through the usual process of setting the meeting topic, date, time, and inviting your contacts. This is where the magic happens. Before you hit that Schedule Meeting button, look for the Attachments section. It's usually located near the meeting description or other scheduling options. Click on it and you'll have the option to upload files from your computer. Now, here's a pro tip. Think about what files are absolutely essential for this specific meeting. Don't just attach everything you think might be relevant. Focus on the key documents that will drive the conversation forward. This could be a sales proposal, a case study, a product demo, or even an agenda. Keeping it concise and focused will prevent information overload for your attendees. Once you've selected your files, they'll be attached to the meeting invite. Your invitees will receive a notification that there are attachments, and they can access them directly through the meeting link. No more frantic email exchanges or last-minute file sharing. Everything is organized and readily available. Now, what about editing an existing meeting? Let's say you've already scheduled a meeting, but you realize you need to add a crucial document. No problem. Simply navigate to your Meetings tool, find the meeting you want to edit, and click on it. You'll be able to modify all the meeting details, including the attachments. Just follow the same process as before. Locate the Attachments section, upload your files, and save the changes. The updated invite, including the new attachments, will be automatically sent to your invitees. It's that simple. Seriously, this little feature can make a huge difference in the professionalism and efficiency of your meetings. Imagine the impression you'll make when you come prepared with all the necessary documents readily available. It shows that you're organized, respectful of your attendees' time, and truly invested in making the meeting productive. But the benefits go beyond just looking professional. Attaching files to your HubSpot meetings can also improve collaboration and follow-up. Attendees can review the documents before, during, or after the meeting, ensuring everyone is on the same page. This can lead to more informed discussions, faster decision-making, and ultimately more closed deals. Let's talk about some specific use cases. If you're in sales, you can attach proposals, contracts, or even pricing sheets. If you're in marketing, you can share campaign reports, creative assets, or presentation decks. The possibilities are endless. No matter what industry you're in, there's always a document that can enhance your meetings and make them more effective. Another great advantage of this feature is that it keeps all your meeting-related materials in one central location. No more searching through your computer or email for that one specific file. Everything is neatly organized within the HubSpot meeting record. This is a huge time saver, especially when you're dealing with multiple meetings and clients. Now, let's address a few common questions. What file types can you attach? HubSpot generally supports a wide range of file types, including PDFs, Word documents, spreadsheets, presentations, and images. However, it's always a good idea to double-check HubSpot's documentation for the most up-to-date information on supported file types and size limits. Another question we often get is, can attendees download the attached files? Yes, absolutely. Invitees can download the files directly from the meeting invite, allowing them to review the materials at their convenience. This is especially helpful for those who prefer to take notes or annotate documents during the meeting. So, to recap, attaching files to your HubSpot meetings is a simple yet powerful way to improve your meeting efficiency, enhance collaboration, and present yourself as a true professional. It's a small change that can make a big difference in your overall productivity and success. We've covered how to attach files to both new and existing meetings, discussed the benefits of this feature, and answered some common questions. Now it's your turn to put this knowledge into action. Start attaching files to your HubSpot meetings today and experience the difference for yourself. You'll be amazed at how much smoother and more productive your meetings become. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.